Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If a triangle ABC is drawn such that AB and AC are equal and angle C is 55 degrees, then the value of A is. So this is the triangle. We are given that ABC, AB is equal to AC. So angle C becomes a base angle. So as triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, therefore what we can say, angle B and angle C are base angles. Therefore they are equal. Therefore we can say angle B equal to angle C equal to 55 degrees. We have to find the measure of angle A. We know angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. This is angle sum property. Therefore angle A plus 55 equal to 180. Therefore we can say angle A plus 110. 55 plus 55 is 110. It's equal to 180. Therefore we get angle A equal to 180 minus 110, which is equal to, so we have angle A equal to 70 degrees. So this is the answer.